Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be doing a simple makeup for webinars and virtual meetings. For this simple makeup look, I'll be using my Studio Fix MAC powder in the shade of NC20. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this Anastasia. This is a deep brow pomade in soft brown shade. And for my eyeliner, I'll be using Stila. This is a fine line eyeliner. For my lip and cheeks, I'll be using this Maybelline lip tint in the shade of MLBB. So let's start doing my simple makeup webinar look. Let's start to apply our makeup base, Studio Fix MAC powder. Be gentle on applying any product on your skin and don't smudge it on your face so it will sit longer on your skin. And for my eyebrows, I am using Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. Before applying your eyebrows makeup, gently brush your eyebrows so it will be in shape already. I like using this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade as it is easy to glide on my skin. is my eyelashes. I use Miniso eyelash curler For my eyelashes, clamp your eyelashes at least 10 times so the curl will last longer. I will not be using any mascara for this simple makeup look. For my eyeliner, I am using Stila Fine Eyeliner. I will apply a very thin eyeliner to open my eyes and make it more lively. For my cheeks, I am using this Maybelline lip tint. Just apply a pea-sized amount of the product on your cheeks and blend it with your fingertips. Little by little, add a small amount of the product if you need to add more color to your cheeks. Just do the same on the other side of your cheeks. For my lips, I apply first my lip liner before applying my lipstick or my lip tint. I'm using again my Maybelline lip tint in Truly MBB shade for a natural look. So this is my final look for my simple makeup webinar look. I hope you like this simple makeup, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.